Introducing the Heli Max Grouted Pile, our highest capacity hybrid foundation system. The Heli Max is a pressure-grouted, full displacement pile that merges the best features of helical, micropile, and drill displacement systems, delivering higher load capacity with faster, safer installation. Heli Max combines the simplicity of helical installation with the strength of high-capacity displacement piles, redefining what's possible in deep foundations. The Heli Max's innovative design allows the lead and shaft to be pressure grouted independently during installation, maximizing skin friction, bearing, and corrosion protection. Advance the Heli Max lead section into the ground until it sits slightly above grade. Connect the first Heli Max extension and drive the pile until the displacement cone is approximately 1 foot below grade. Pressure grout the lead section. The displacement cone acts as a natural packer, preventing grout from migrating upwards along the pile section. A one-way check valve maintains grout pressure below soil displacement cone. Our innovative design allows you to open or close grouting ports. Continue adding extensions as needed, grouting each new section as installation progresses. At final depth, apply the final pressure grout. Finally, attach pile cap above grade. The final result, a high-capacity, low-vibration deep foundation solution built for the most demanding soil conditions. Heli Max, engineered to perform and built to last.